This is our POS system. We are one-time payment only. No monthly or yearly fees. We also provide POS Web, a free web-based system for monitoring sales, inventories, and reports from your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop. This web-based system is available for Android, iOS, and Windows. Our POS system also includes profit and loss monitoring, employee daily time-in and time-out records, payroll cash and check voucher, and lastly, check monitoring. We are BIR accredited. Visit our Facebook page for additional information and schedule a free online demo right away. Thank you.